Hi, Sunika.
Hello, sir.
Can we start?
Sure, sir.
Okay, first tell me about yourself.
So, as you know, my name is Sanika Gajbia. I have completed my diploma from JD College of Polytechnic, and currently I'm pursuing BTech from Vilasrao Deshmukh College of Engineering. And about my technical skills, I can work with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap, MySQL, and CodeIgniter, and WordPress as well. About my work experience, I have more than 1 year of experience as a PHP developer. And about CodeIgniter, I have created one software on with the help of CodeIgniter, which is the billing software. This is all about me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, what is PHP?
So PHP is a connectivity language which we use to connect front end and the database. That is the use of PHP.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the difference between echo and print?
So in echo we can first in print and echo both are the used to print something like I have to print hello world in PHP. That time I can use echo and the print. And the next the difference between the echo and print is we can print at multiple things at a time with the help of echo, but we can't do the same thing with the help of print.
Does print return anything?
Yeah.
What?
So like if I have to print more than two, like if I have to print array with the help of only print, so that time I can't print. If I that time I have to use the another function like print r.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the difference between dollar and double dollar variable?
So in about dollar we use to it shows the variable, and about double dollar it used to like if uh, just give me a second, sir. Mm, oh, sorry, sir. It is like I'm not able to recall the double color use.
Okay, thank you. What is the data type in PHP?
So data type there are 4 to 5 types of data types like integer, float, character, boolean, and uh, these are the data types in PHP. First, in integer, we used in a whole number in integer. Float, we use decimal values in uh, float, and in boolean we use logical character. And next,
Okay. Which function return the length of a string?
length of the string, strlen.
Okay.
Yeah.
What does isset function?
What?
Isset function. What is isset function?
If set or is set?
Isset. I double S E T.
Oh, sir, if I have to like in when I am using database connectivity, that time I have to load that isset function, and in that isset function, I have to mention my name of form. Mm,
Okay.
yeah.
What is the array?
Array is a collection of more than array is a combination of similar and dissimilar data element in PHP. If we go through the C and C++, in that if, array is the collection of similar data types, data elements.
Okay. Explain some PHP string function.
uh, PHP string function, right?
Yeah.
Okay. In PHP, first strlen, that's we used for to count the string length, and trim we used it when if we have to trim our string, that time we use trim function. Explode function, if I have to convert a string to array, that time I use explode function. And str reverse, if I have to reverse the string, that time I used str reverse function. S, str to upper, like if I have to convert my string lower class to upper class, that time str upper function that used str lower function. If I have to convert upper string to lower string, that time we used str string
Okay,
function.
okay, enough. What are the ways to include file in PHP?
Include files in PHP, right?
Yeah.
So first, there are first we use two functions, like include and include function. Like if the difference between include and include ones is, if I have to include one file with all the pages of the string, my project, that time I used include function. And include once, when I have to use only one time that connectivity file, that time I used include once function.
Okay.
Yeah.
Differentiate between require and include.
Required and include.
Yes.
Okay. First, required, when we only required that I will know that's time I have to use my connectivity file or any other file. That time we used required function. And include function, we include other files to the that other pages to that page. So that time we use include and required.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the session?
uh, sessions Session is used to store the login details of user. Like I have to store, for example, I have created my Instagram user. So session is used to create the login details when I'm used.
Okay. What is the difference between session and cookie?
Session, like session is used to store the user details. And cookies is used to store the browser details. Cookie is used to store, like if I have to store something for the uh, for very small time, that's time we use cookies.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where does session store?
What?
Where does session store?
um Give me a second, sir. Sorry, sir, I'm not able to recall it.
Okay. What is implode and explode function?
Okay. First, include is used to convert array to string, and explode function is used to convert string to array.
Please repeat.
In function, we use to convert array to string, and explode we used to convert string to array.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tell me some super global variables.
Super global variable. Mm, Sorry.
Okay. Error type in PHP.
Uh, there are three types of error. Uh, First, fatal error, warning error, and notice error.
What is warning error?
Warning error, like if about database, if I insert something different value when I'm connecting database to PHP, that time warning error occurs.
Okay. What is it? JSON.
What?
Have you ever used JSON?
No, sir, I didn't use JSON. But about JSON, I know that JSON is the framework of JavaScript.
Framework.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. Uh, so, do you know about front end technology?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. What is div and table?
Div and table, right?
Hmm.
In especially in table, we used to show any table like student table and other any table, entries table we used to store there. And div we first div we can use from for multiple purpose, like if I have to create some container, that time I can use div. If I have to write some paragraph, that time also I can use div.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the use of anchor tag?
So anchor tag is used to link some pages or the images. That time we use anchor tag.
Images.
Like if I have to like link any images with any URL, that time I used anchor tag.
Okay.
Yeah.
What is the attribute of anchor tag?
Attribute of anchor tag: first href
Okay.
hyperlink, and
Okay.
mm, I know only one, sir.
Okay. 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 What is Ajax?
Mm, Sorry, sir. I didn't work on Ajax and JSON.
Okay. So you don't know about Ajax.
No, not about Ajax and JSON.
Uh, what are the primary key and foreign key?
Primary key and foreign key. Okay. Yes. Like if I'm entering some data in database, that time I want to insert by a number, that time I used in primary key. And primary key is also used when I have to like about if for example I have to give some, I have to insert some data and some I have to find some data. That time I can find with the help of primary key.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is join?
So join is used to join table and database in MySQL. There are four to five types of join, like inner join, outer join, left join, right join, upper join, and lower join.
What is left join?
If I am join my table from, if I am joining some table from left side, that time left join is used.
What is SQL injection?
What?
SQL injection.
Sorry, sir, I don't know about SQL injection.
Okay. Share your screen. In which technology are you good in?
So like right now I'm working with the payments and technology on Laravel, but about Laravel, I don't have deep knowledge about Laravel. So it is going too hard for me. So that's why I'm.
No. Oh, what is composer?
So Composer is if I have it used to run the Laravel program. If I have to print
Okay. Explain MVC pattern.
MVC pattern, like yeah, MVC is the module view controller. If any framework of PHP or any other languages which is used on MVC, work on MVC model, MVC model, and yeah.
Do you know about CSRF token?
What?
CSRF token.
No, sir.
Okay. You didn't use CRUD operation in Laravel or PHP.
What?
Have you used CRUD operation in Laravel or PHP?
No, sir. About my current current company, I'm only maintaining their software.
What is your role?
So, like, if there is some queries with there are some errors occur in the, like, errors are going throughout for the user. That time I use to solve that error.
And the software in this technology?
That is on Laravel.
That is on Laravel.
Yeah.
Okay, no issue. Okay, thanks for joining. As
Thank you,
HR
sir.
will get back to you. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Sanika. Thank you, Arif. I'll get back to you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.